Well, lawyers for Donald Trump are in court today in Florida, this time for the federal classified documents case against the former president. Well, according to newly unsealed court documents, special counsel Jack Smith suspects that additional obstruction efforts by Trump with strong evidence that the former president intended to hide classified material at his Mar-a-Lago resort. Let's bring in our senior investigative correspondent, Aaron Kintersky, to kind of flesh out what this all means. So what is this evidence, I guess new strong evidence, that the special counsel says he has on Trump?
Well, there are a couple of things in this trove of newly unsealed evidence, Kira, indicating that the special counsel believes that former President Trump wanted boxes containing classified material moved in such a way that it would be taking a route out of security cameras so that it couldn't be seen. But Walt Nauta, Trump's valet, was captured on camera carrying boxes that the special counsel's team believes contained classified documents. And there he is, moving those boxes at a time, you see it on your screen now, at a time when there was an active FBI subpoena for the return of that material. The special counsel believes that Nauta probably moved those materials at Trump's direction and was trying perhaps to do it in a way where he wouldn't get caught on camera. But of course he did. And you can see the box at the top there doesn't even have a lid on it.
Well, let me follow up with that. I guess that lid that appears to be missing on that box was actually subpoenaed by the FBI. What do we know about what might have been inside that box?
Well, the classified material at issue. And that's what in part concerned federal authorities who wanted to take possession of these classified materials because they were concerned they were stored in a haphazard way. Maybe boxes without lids that were in places that, we've already heard them describe that, in closets that weren't any more secure than your average household bathroom. So the special counsel had amassed all of this evidence before bringing a case that is now before a federal judge in Florida. Nauta today is trying to get the charges against him dismissed. He says he's been vindictively prosecuted because he refused to cooperate in the case and turn on his boss. But we'll see what the judge ends up doing. And no telling, Kira, when Trump could actually face trial in this.
All right. Well, from the very beginning, Judge Eileen Cannon had been accused of moving slowly through this whole process, being in the bag for Trump because he appointed her. Now this case has been delayed indefinitely. So, Aaron, reality check here. I mean, is this ever going to move forward?
Probably not before the election, Kira. At this point, there was a trial date initially set for May. That's, of course, come and gone. And the judge declined to set a new trial date. She says that she has too many pretrial legal matters to decide. And it's really on her, in a way, to manage her calendar. She's let all of these legal matters pile up without decisions. And this backlog has stalled the case. That lawyers were haggling over what evidence to make public or not didn't really help. And so the case is stalled indefinitely with co-defendants trying to get out of it, and Trump, too, saying that the case should be dismissed.
Okay, stay tuned. Aaron Kintersky, thank you.